Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Moonriver. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that on a daily time frame chart, Moonriver has formed another down channel, and this was my last video, by the way. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that still it is moving at the support of this down channel. By the way, at the same time, it was also moving inside this symmetrical triangle. And recently, we have broken down the support of this symmetrical triangle as well. And after the breakdown, the price line is once again drop at the support of this channel as well. You can see that while it was moving inside this channel, at the same time, it was also following this uptrend line support as well. And now if we take a look at the target for this breakdown from the symmetrical triangle, then technical target for this breakdown can be here. That will be approximately at 12.47 cents. And you can see that so far the price line has dropped up to 17.57 cents. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart. And after that, we had a massive rally from this low to this high that was more than 1408% rally, but the price line was rejected by this quite long-term resistance of $45 that was previously working as a support here back in the month of March 2022. And this support after the breakdown is now flipped into a strong resistance. And after the rejection, the price line has broken down this support of 27.17, and now it is breaking down another support, a quite long-term support of $20 as well. And at the same time, you can see that it is also testing this very long-term support of EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. And in today's video, we will also watch this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for PolyX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 30th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Moonriver, and this is the daily time frame chart. And you can see that here on this daily time frame chart, it is once again dropped at the support of this channel, and at the same time, it was also following this support, an uptrend line support and resistance of this symmetrical triangle as well. And now after the breakdown, you can see it is once again dropped down at the support of the channel first. After the breakdown, it tested the support of the channel, tried to re-enter the same triangle, and you can see for several days it has been rejected by this previous support of the triangle that is now working as a resistance, and now again dropped down at the support of this channel. This time, if the price line will be moved up to hit the resistance of the channel, then it can reach somewhere here, approximately at $24. However, the target for the breakdown from this triangle is here, here by the way. That is approximately at $12.50. And it is possible that now while moving inside this channel, without breaking down the support of the price line, may hit this target to the downside for this breakdown. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this down channel, this resistance, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $33. And now if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that the price line has already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. And after that, we had a very powerful pump, but the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of $45. That was in fact working as a support here back in the month of March 2022. And now it is flipped into a strong resistance. And now you can see if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, and at the same time, the price line is also dropped at the golden pocket, that is 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. But the critical thing over here is that we have broken down a very long-term support of $20, and right now it is testing this quite long-term support of EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. And in the previous week, we had a long spike to the downside, but the price and recovered back and could not break it down. And right now you can see that it is moving slightly down than this exponential moving average 21. And previously it has been testing the support here. You can see that previously it was working as a very, very strong resistance. And after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. We tested the support here, then we had a nice pump. And now for the past few weeks, since after 4th of March 2024, you can see it's again and again testing the support. In case of breaking it down, it can drop down at this long-term support of $13.15. Therefore, this resistance of the channel will be very significant on the daily time frame chart. If the price then breaks it out, then there will be a very high probability that the price line may also try to break out this long-term resistance of $45 as well. And in case of breaking out this resistance of $45, it can read the next long-term resistance here first. We will have this resistance here at $70. That is not that much powerful like we have here at $100. And this resistance will be very significant, and we will need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.